She's lying.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
The reason why I'm stopping you, you got your seatbelt right here. Wasn't on.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, do you have an ID with you?
Oh, yeah. Well, honestly, officer.
Is there an issue with the seatbelt? Or?
Yeah, there's an issue with it, and I couldn't get it, and I didn't have time to stop.
Oh, okay.
Right there. There we go.
Doesn't look like it restrains properly. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Here.
I'm not
doesn't
sure.
Look like it's tucking back in.
I don't know how it. I don't know.
Doesn't seem like it has any tension on it. You might have to get that fixed.
I gotta get that fixed.
Your license good and everything?
Yeah, everything's good.
Oh, I'm just asking.
Yes, sir.
Alright, give me a minute, okay?
Okay.
Do you mind coming out and talking to me?
For what?
You have anything illegal in the pocket?
No, why?
Nothing at all. I'm not reaching the pocket.
Oh, I put my cigarette lighter up. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. I'm not sure. Nothing really.
What have I done, sir? I haven't done nothing.
Just asking questions.
No, I know. I was just asking.
Getting a little nervous.
No, I'm fine. I don't understand. I'm trying to get my kids
take your
home.
eye shades up for me? Thank you. When was the last time you used?
It's been a long time.
Can't be that long. You have a track mark right on.
Okay, well, that's because I've been playing outside with my kids.
You have nothing illegal in the car. Who's the passenger?
She's my friend.
Does she have anything illegal? No drugs or anything like that? Like, you don't have any family in the car or something?
No, sir. I swear to God. No, sir.
Swear to God.
I swear to God.
Do you have any problem searching the car?
No. I mean, she has her prescription, but she doesn't have.
That's fine. She has.
But it's not. It's in a wore-out bottle.
She has a prescription. I'm not worried about it.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So, hey, do you have anything illegal in here?
No. No, sir.
Oh, I'm just asking.
Okay, no.
Okay. You mind coming on out?
Oh, yeah.
You don't have pockets or anything?
I mean, I've got pockets. Do you want? I got my lip gloss.
Amanda,
Yeah.
I told him that the prescription bottle was wore out, so he can get it out.
Yeah, don't worry about it. I'm not worried about it. Not a big deal. All right, just hang out for a second.
Okay.
Just hang out right there in front of my patrol vehicle.
Can I do 139-1013?
Do you have a prescription?
I do, yeah.
Can you show me it?
Would you want me to pull up my Publix app? Because those, I have.
I want to see a prescription for the Xanax, and I want to see a prescription for whatever I'm about to find out what's in this bag. Okay. That's what I need to see a prescription for. All right. So if you want to look that up.
Yeah, I can pull up.
Yeah, 50 close to 65, 220.
You find it?
I mean, I can show you where I have a prescription. That bottle, it's not mine. She's
Right,
blaming
come
me
over here,
because she
please,
has
son.
passed.
Come here.
Do you guys hang out in front of my patrol vehicle,
Over
please?
here.
Thank you. What'd you say?
Can I talk about that?
Yeah, in a minute. Here, hold on to this.
That was her.
I know. Give me a second, okay? The trunk button doesn't work?
No, sir. First, we can't. We got it to work the first night. The car was given to us. We got it to work for the
American Navy.
Can you come show me that prescription?
Yeah.
What's going on?
This is my that bottle was on her side. She tried to get me to take it, and I told her no. That is not mine. She has a past. All I'm doing is riding with her. my husband and her boyfriend are friends, and he asked me to ride.
Service advising,
My husband and her boyfriend are friends, and her boyfriend asked me to ride with her just so she didn't have to go by herself. And she tried to hand me the bottle, and I told her, that's not mine. And then she told you they were mine. I do have a prescription. That is not mine. I barely know her. My husband and her boyfriend are friends.
I'm going to ask her about it here.
No, she handed me a little, it was like a little pill thing, and it had Xanax in it. And the bottle she took and put it up under her seat.
Where's the thing with the Xanax?
I don't know. I told her, I said, I'm not taking that.
Okay.
It's not, I mean, it wasn't mine.
Sarah,
You're just wondering?
empty out your pockets. You don't mind? Do you have anything else on you?
No.
What's going on with the pill bottle? And hold on a second before you answer the question. Don't reach for anything else. I want to see your hands.
The pill bottle?
Hold on a second. You're not under arrest. I am going to use yours.
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. You cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one to point represent you for questioning if you wish. You showed this lady here to a little baggie that had pills in it, which might be in your pocket.
No,
that had 2 Xanax bars in it or something.
No,
like that.
I don't have nothing in my pocket.
And you told her to claim that bottle in the car.
No, I swear to God.
You have something right there that's bulging out of your pocket.
No, I have nothing. I have nothing, sir.
Can you turn your pocket inside out?
That's it. That's it.
Okay, because the pills aren't hers. They're under your seat.
No, they're hers. Her and her husband take them. Yes, sir. I swear to God. I promise you. Her and her husband, I swear to God, they take them. Prescriptions. They're hers. She handed them to me and told me that.
What about, I think it's Adderall. I haven't checked it yet, but what about the Adderall that's in there?
I don't know nothing about it. It's hers.
So if I take that bottle and throw it into a paper bag right here and send it to FDLE for fingerprints that you didn't throw it underneath there, you're going to tell me that your prints are not on that bottle, underneath your seat. Is that what you're telling me?
Because she put them right here in the center console, and I threw them under the seat because she said that's not in the right bottle, and I'm like, okay, well, and that's why I was honest with you and told you.
I don't think she is lying. Because she pulled me aside before I even asked anybody about questions.
Amanda!
Hold on a second. We're talking right now. Okay.
I promise you. I swear to God, I'm not lying.
Well, you're in a pretty bad predicament right now, and I'm trying. If you start telling me the truth here, listen to me for a second, okay, Sarah? If you start telling me the truth, okay, then you may depending on what you tell me, you may or may not go to jail. Right now, it's not looking good.
I promise you, they're not mine.
So why? What? They don't just magically come under the.
She didn't. She's like, I don't want to go to jail, and she put them in there in the center console. And I'm like, well, what do you want me to do with that?
Where's the bag that
I
had the
don't
other?
have a bag.
You showed it to her.
I don't. I promise you. I swear to God.
Is it on you?
No, it's not.
If I take you down to the jail and they do a strip search, it's not going to be on you.
No, sir. I'll strip right here.
Don't need to.
Look, I'll even shake.
No, it's not what I'm asking for.
I'm gonna shake it out and everything. Because look, I swear those are her. That's her and her husband. Oh, sir, I swear it's not mine. I swear on everything I love.
So you didn't. When I was behind you, you didn't say, "Here, I'm going to throw this under my seat, and I need you to take possession of this because you have a prescription."
No, I didn't. I swear to God. I promise you, I'm gonna be almost crying. I'm trying to get my kids back. Okay? I swear to God. I swear the big pill bottle's hers.
You want to start telling me the truth yet or what?
I'm telling you the truth.
I don't believe you. I don't believe it.
Amanda, I'm gonna go to jail. Amanda. I'm gonna go to jail if you don't tell them that this pill bottle is yours.
Can I come around?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to jail if you don't tell them that the big pill bottle's yours. That it's yours and your husband's.
I'll just take the rap. I'll just do.
It's not taking the rap.
I mean.
I'm not gonna take you to. I'm not gonna.
I mean, I'll just.
Because now we have conflicting stories.
I promise you, it's her and her husband's prescription. I promise. I swear to God.
I'll just.
No, it is.
No, you're not. I'm telling you right now. Well, you already told me you're not taking a rap for it. I don't.
It's yours, though.
I'm telling.
I don't see anybody go to jail, but it's hers. I promise you.
Can you put Sarah in the back of the vehicle for right now? Can you come back in the front with the kids? Sarah, you're gonna hang out with him for a minute. What is in here?
I don't know. I've never seen that before.
This is the bag that you grabbed before you put your pill bottle under the seat?
No, that's not. I didn't have a bag.
You had a little.
No, I did not have a plastic bag.
So you have no idea what's in here. So if I send this to FDLE, is that what you're telling me? That nothing's gonna come back with you on here?
Nothing's gonna come back with me on there. I swear to God.
And what if it does?
It's not going to. I promise you.
That's what I'm doing. I'm going. She didn't throw it out the window.
No,
Yeah. That's all right. We got guys on there.
That's Ashes. That's my father-in-law. I'm sorry.
Should have told me.
We're moving stuff.
Should have told me it was in there.
I'm so sorry. I forgot it was in there. We're moving some stuff to the storage unit. My husband said, please don't put my dad in the box.
I don't know what to tell you, Amanda.
I don't know what. I mean.
She's probably going to jail. Okay.
I mean.
Hey, your phone in the car? You're going to jail, okay?
Why? It's not my stuff. It's hers. I swear to God, it's hers.
Okay, well, we'll let the court figure that one out.
Please, officer.
Do you have anything on you?
No, please.
Don't fall out. Ma'am, sit in the seat. Don't sit like that. You're gonna fall out.
I swear to God, it's
Sarah,
hers.
sit in the seat
It's
properly.
hers. I promise you. I didn't know what to do. That's why I was honest with you.
The Xanax and the hydrochloride, the other two pills. Okay, they're all controlled.
I don't know what you're talking about, though.
I showed it to you, okay?
But they're hers.
They're under your seat.
Because she wouldn't take them back. I didn't know what to do, so that's why I was honest with you.
Sir, I don't believe it. There's also something that I cannot find. I don't know if it's on you or not. That's why I'm asking.
No,
you.
sir. It's. I swear, it's not.
Don't.
I swear, there's nothing here. There's nothing.
Well, the jail's gonna find out, okay? But you're going for possession of controlled substance.
That's not fair. It's her stuff.
Okay. Well, Sarah, there's
It's
not much more
her.
to discuss.
It's her stuff.
Do not start. Do not.
Please, it's hers. It's her stuff.
I'm trying my best, but
There was another pill with Xanax in it. That's why I was saying
Why? They're not mine. I think
Why would she not claim that it's hers if she has a prescription for it?
she's lying.
How?
I've never seen those bags before in my life. I never even seen the pill bottle until she threw it right in my center console.
Why would she go?
Because she's trying not to go to jail.
She's not going to go to jail if they were hers. She has a
They're
prescription.
hers.
She has a prescription.
But they're hers, though. I don't take Xanax.
But she wouldn't tell me those Xanax pills are not mine. And she showed me her prescription. She has a
Okay,
prescription.
that's why I told you about the Xanax. I didn't know the extra pills were in there.
That doesn't make sense. But there's no reason why she wouldn't claim they were hers if she has a prescription for the pills that are in the bottle.
I did not. I have never seen that bag before in my life. My fingerprints would not be on that bag.
Okay.
I promise you.
Okay. Right now we're figuring it out.
I
Okay.
promise you.
All right. Watch out. Watch your foot.
Please.